Hello, and welcome to the first development log for my indie game project called Idle God. This is also my first video in this channel, so I will start out with an introduction. My name is Khan, I'm 23 years old and I live with my girlfriend at the moment. I also have a full-time job as a game developer, but I also make games during night as well, as a hobby. I started learning how to make video games since college, and from a year ago to now, I've been doing it as a profession as well. For quite a while, I wanted to create a video game by myself. At first, I tried to make an RPG game, but that took 2 to 3 months of time and it still wasn't at where I wanted it to be. Honestly, not even close. So I decided to take up on a smaller project for mobile platforms. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you see that weird looking guy there? That's me. I've always been a fan of incremental type games. I just love the feeling of going always forward in these games. There is no loose conditions whatsoever. That's why I had to create one. Now it's been 3 days since I've been working on this game and I started recording this video. So, let's get into details. In this game, we will be playing as a creator of the universe. You might have guessed it from the name. And at the very start, we are causing the Big Bang explosion. But something seems off and nothing happens. So then, we as the character decide upon taking the challenge to create everything from scratch. So the player starts producing special elements to create the universe. But this is not what makes this game special. These are just the classic idle mechanics. There are two major elements that differ from other idle games. My personal favorite is that everything you do will also be connected to a narrator's ideas and beliefs. So the game will be making fun of physics, the universe, and quite often you actually. The other element is, your universe as you create it will feel more and more alive. There will be multiple stages that you can interact with. For example, in the quantum era, there won't be any physics, but you will be able to push around quarks and leptons around. But in the atom era, there will be electrons going around protons, so instead of quarks and leptons, this time you will be interacting with atoms, in different ways. As you can see, I will be making this game in Unity. For those who ask why, I will give you 3 quick reasons. At first, it's optimized and easy to develop. Second one, it has a very big community, so you can almost find any problems answered by just searching in internet. And last one is, I also use it in my professional life, so it's kind of easier for me to use Unity. All I've done so far is researching what elements could be added to the game that will make it fun to play and make. I didn't have enough knowledge, so I had to look through 50 to 60 websites and images to create this sheet of spatial elements. And also I made the cinematic that I showed you. This will be all for my introduction video. In the next video, I will be showing how I design my code architecture as well as some simple user interface and finally modeling. I would also love to read your comments, especially if you have any feedback or ideas, please don't hesitate. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next devlog.